Hi everyone, this video is the continuation for the previous video in which we have started insurance promotion second unit titled life insurance plans. In that video we have discussed about the importance of life insurance, meaning and the characteristics of various online life insurances and the various types of life insurance plans. Here from this video we can discuss about these features and benefits of various life insurance plans which was mentioned in the previous video, that are term life insurance, endowment policy, money back policy, whole life insurance, savings and investment plans, children life insurance, retirement plans, etc. The first one is of life insurance plans are term life insurance. Term life insurance is a type of life insurance that provides a death benefit to the beneficiary only if the insured dies during a specific period. It means the term life insurance is valid for that particular time only. If the policy holder has taken from the age of 40 to 60, he does not get any uncertainty or he has not faced any death after the 60th year, that is the survival. After the survival of the term policy, he will not get any return in this term plan. That means he will only compensated in between the term which the term plan is applied for the policy holder. And the features of the term life insurance can be explained as below. It is affordable. The first one is affordable. Affordable means it is in the cost of low premiums. Here we cannot say that the uncertainty will be compulsory faced in the age of 40 to 60. There was a low risk chances. So where the risk is low, the insurance premiums will be low. So in that way it is the affordable. And the next one is easy to buy. It is easy to buy in the form of less documentation process when compared to the health insurance plans and the life insurance plans. The documentation required is, in the case of health insurance, is we need to submit the medical reports, health reports or our health record, etc. But in the case of term life insurance, we need to select the particular time which we are needed the term policy. This term policy can be purchased in two ways, offline or online. Offline means by approaching the agent or the insurance companies directly, and the second one is benefited to the individual or the policy holder, because the online policies will be cheaper than the offline policies from 5% to 20%. We can just log into the insurance companies who are providing the term life insurance policy plans websites and purchase the policy. And the next one is term plan with return of premiums. As the term insurance defines the loss or the compensation will be given in that particular time period only. After that time period, the premiums you paid will be wasted. In these cases, so many customers are not interested in taking the term insurance or the term plan. So for protecting these customers' interests, they have introduced one of the type of term plan with returns of premiums, which means after the maturity value or the term is completed, the sum or the premiums paid will be given back to the policy holder or the nominee. The next one is staggered claims payout option. Here staggered claims payout means the compensation will be in the lump sum or the large amount for the uncertainty raised for the policy holder. When the lump sum amount is available, the nominee or the family members cannot utilize it properly. So here staggered claims payment, that means a step by step payments. If we require the lump sum amount, we can take. but due to the fear of we cannot utilize these financial resources properly, we can select the option of taking these lump sum amount in various parts, such as yearly or monthly or whenever we needed in that particular time period. That is called as staggered claims or claims payment option. Next one is flexibility in paying premiums. It was a common function or feature for all the life insurance plans. That is, payment of premiums is flexible. We can select the option of paying the premium monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly. Here we can discuss that if the individual having the monthly income, he will pay the monthly premiums, or the individual who are having the income half yearly, he can select the half yearly payment system. This way there will be a flexibility in paying premiums. And the next one is offers rebate. It is an special discount for the selected individuals, which means who are non-smokers or female lives, which are presented as or gestured as standard life with no aggressive risk or high risk associated with them. They will be getted some special discount in paying the premium. It is called as the one of the function of life insurance term plans. And the next one is next type of life insurance plans is whole life insurance. Whole life insurance is also an insurance plan which provides coverage throughout the lifetime of the policy holder. That means in the term policy, the compensation or the loss will be paid for the uncertainty raised in that particular time only. But in the whole life insurance plans, the compensation or the loss will be paid even after the policy holder completed the paying the premiums of his insurance plan. In whole life insurance, he may survive for 100 years also. He can claim or he can get the maturity value at that age of 100. In that way, it covers the whole life or throughout your life. The features of whole life insurance can be discussed below. It is permanent coverage. As we discussed in the meaning, it covers throughout our life. It is simple that covers the permanent life of an individual. In term policy, only 10 to 20 years is covered, but here the financial benefit is or the compensation can be claimed at any stage of the life. So it is a permanent life coverage. Next one is level premiums, the whole life advantage. In this whole life insurance, level premiums means will have the same premiums at all the stages of the policy. It means in the term policy, when we are reaching the completion of the premiums in term policy, the premiums will be going high. But in terms of whole life insurance, the premiums will be in the same amounts. If the first premium will be 10,000, the 70th premium will also be the 10,000 only. And the next option is the whole life death benefit. Here, with referring to the permanent coverage throughout the life, even the death happened at the paying time of the policy or the premiums, he will be compensated. And later the completion of the policy premium paid, he can get his amount in the two forms, that natural death or the uncertainty death also. That means he can get the whole life death benefit. The next one is builds cash value. Whole life insurance's important function is it builds an cash value which helps us to take loans in various stages of our life needs. And the next one is whole life as an investment vehicle. Here whole life insurance premiums is invested by the insurance company in various companies. The profits will be shared to the policy holders when the insurance companies, invested companies have been profited in the form of dividends. And the next one is borrowing against the cash value. Here the building cash value helps the borrowing against the cash value. That means after certain premiums we are eligible for taking a loan for on the premiums that we are paying. Here we need not require to put any mortgage or any security for getting the loan. They will give or allow a borrowing of cash or the loan facility on basing the cash value we have built up in the previous premiums. And the various benefits of the whole life insurances are death benefit. Here even the death benefit is occurred at the time of paying premium. It may be natural death or the uncertainty death. We can get the death benefit or the financial benefit. That means after the policy period also, after the completing the policy also, even we have raised with an uncertainty or the natural death, we will get the financial benefit in the form of death benefit. And the next one is maturity benefit. Here the maturity benefit can be taken by the individual when he is needed. That means if the policy completes the 40 years of paying his premiums, he may be at the 80 years, but he can claim that to withdraw the policy and the maturity value when he is needed, because he has paid continuously for 40 years. As he is having the minimum age of 80 years for withdrawing the maturity benefit, he can avail this option from this whole life insurance. Next one is income tax benefit. As we discussed, all the life insurance plan will be benefited or exempted from the Income Tax Act 80C of Indian Income Tax Act 1961, and it will be limited for some insurance plans or premiums also. If we purchase the in some cases it will be exempted from both the insurance plans or the sum assured or the premiums also. But in some cases, if the premiums exceed 10% above the sum assured, they will charge some tax. Mostly many of the life insurances will not be having tax. They are all exempted from the Income Tax Act under 1961. And next one is endowment policy. Endowment policy is differed from the whole life insurance. Here it will not cover the whole, that means throughout the life, but the uncertainty or the financial security will be provided to the nominee on behalf of the beneficiary. That means after the maturity date, the beneficiary can withdraw the amount, or faced an death, the nominee will receive the maturity benefit. The features of endowment policy: death along with survival benefit. As we discussed above, the individual will have the survival benefits. That means if he live for an particular time of completing the policy, he meets the maturity value of the or the maturity period of the policy, he can enjoy the survival benefits by getting the maturity amount by himself only. If he or she does not live by completing the term of the endowment policy, his nominee will enjoy the benefits. And the next one is higher returns when compared to the term policy, and the endowment policy will be the high returns in the form of compensation. And the next one is premium payment frequency. As we mentioned, this is common feature of all the life insurance plans, that we can select the premium payment option, like paying the premium monthly, yearly, half yearly or quarterly, etc. Here next one is flexibility in cover. We can change the plan, that is adding the riders in case we can get an uncertainty like critical accidents. We can apply these benefits at the time of total disability, critical illness, various accidental deaths, etc. And we can also withdraw these endowment policy at the time of paying premiums in the way of total disability, and that means if we are permanently disabled and paying the endowment policy only, we can choose the flexibility of weaving of the policy, that means withdrawing the policy. The next one is tax benefit. As we discussed, all the life insurance plans are exempted under the 80C of Income Tax Act 1961 in India. The next one is low risk. Here the compensation or the financial benefit will be returned to the individual or the nominee at any case, that means at the time of natural death or the uncertainty, and the funds is not invested in the any of the organizations like financial institutions or the capital required companies as the previous policy, that is whole life insurance policy has been invested the premiums in the various companies. Here they will not invest any premiums coming from these endowment policy, so there will be low risk for the endowment policies. Here basing on the endowment policies, there are various types of endowment policies that can be discussed as below. The first one is unit linked endowment policy. This is an fixed savings plan which also provides the benefit of life cover, that means he will have the savings along with the life cover, that means he can withdraw the savings and or invest these savings into the different units selected by himself only, that means he is the one responsible for the risk facing, that the savings is being invested in the various units or the stocks, and along with these investments he will have the benefit of life cover. This is called as unit linked endowment plan. The next one is full profit endowment. Here he will get the full profit in the death benefit or the guaranteed return mentioned at the starting of the policy, along with the additional bonuses if any. And the next one is low cost endowment. This type of endowment plans are specially designed to help the insured to accumulate a fund for the future, that is having a certain amount of fund to have future needs will be come under these endowment plans, that is low cost endowment plans, which can be utilized for an minimum needs like repayment of loans, etc. And the next one is non-profit endowment. It is a traditional endowment plan when the sum or the amount is paid to the policy holder at the maturity benefits, even in the case of death or the natural. It means he will not be profited any extra or the bonus amount. He will get the premiums paid in back to him or his nominee. The next one is guaranteed policy. Here it is the pure endowment policy, that the guaranteed return will be occurred from natural death going on or after the completion of the policy, that is after reaching the maturity date or the completion of the policy also, he will get an guaranteed return for the premiums paid by the individual or the policy holder. The benefits of endowment policy are additional bonuses on endowment policy. Here reversionary bonus and the terminal bonus will be given by the endowment policy service providers to the individuals. Here reversionary bonus means it will add on the amount payable, or the additional money will be adding on the maturity basing on the profits of that policy, which cannot be withdrawn until the maturity of that value. That means bonus will be given at the time of maturity value, maturity date, or the policy maturity, or the death is erased. Only in these cases the maturity value can be, or the bonus value can be withdrawn. And the terminal bonuses is the next type of bonuses. It is an adding payment on the maturity of an insurance policy on the death of an insured person. We can receive the terminal bonuses or not, but reversionary bonus will be given on the profits of that particular policy. The next one is rider benefits, which we have discussed in the whole life insurance. He can add on the, or flexibility in cover manner, he can add the rider as critical illness or permanently disability. We can waive off the premiums in this rider benefits. And the next one is maturity benefits. As we discussed, whole life insurance will have the maturity benefit even the uncertainty does not occur for an individual. And the next policy is money back policy. It gives the money during the policy tenure also. It gives you a percentage of sum assured at regular intervals during the policy term. The title itself mentions that money back policy. That means we will get the money back in any term as we wish. That means here we can discuss these features or the money back policy from the below features, such as guaranteed return from a money back policy. A guaranteed return from a money back policy, the guaranteed returns from a money back policy help the individual to invest in this money back policy. Even though the premiums are higher, he will get back the premiums or the maturity value with life cover guaranteed. The next one is income during the lifetime of the money back. We have discussed the meaning of money back as that he will get the income while he is paying the premiums only, that is in the duration period only. He will get the income while he is paying the premiums only for a lifetime. And the next one is income on maturity of money back plan. Here the income comes from the investments made by the insurance companies by the premiums paid by the individual. As long as covering the life coverage to the individual, it will invest the premiums into the required industries for the capital and gain some income in the form of loan interests and will be distributed to the individuals also. Income on the death of the insured person money back. Here we will get the income on the death also. It may be natural death or the uncertainty. He will get the death benefit. Next one is bonus amounts help insurance payout in a money back policy. Here the reversionary bonus and the terminal bonuses also will be added to this money back, which helps it increasing the maturity value of an whole life insurance. It is one of the feature of money back policy. Add-on riders available for the insured to increase their cover. Here, after the completion of the insurance policy also, paying the insurance policy also, he can add on the riders. That is an option of his health, or a nominee or his family also can be added in whole life insurances as the riders for availability of the cover of the same policy to his nominees. And various advantages of or the benefits of money back policy are returns after a few years. As we mentioned that we will get the returns while paying the premium or the policy only, but there will be a certain conditions that we need to get our returns while paying premium only. If we pay one premium and ask for the returns, they will not agree or return our premiums or any income. Here, for suppose we can take 60 premiums, to eligible the returns or the income on paying the premiums, there will be a certain premiums limit. That means if we pay only 10 or 15, we will get the returns or the income for the premiums you have paid. It will be depend on the premium or the policy we have selected. And the next one is value of money higher with money back policy. Here the value will be higher when compared to the various policies. That means term policy, whole life policy or endowment policy. Here the individual will get the money in the three forms, that is survival benefit, maturity value, bonuses and loans also. Here how the money has been increased in money back policy. That means value of the money is increased with an money back policy. He is receiving the survival benefit, sum assured, maturity value, bonus and the loans also. Here we can discuss that if the loans are taken by him and he has faced a death, by settling the loan amount with the premiums, the remaining amount will be paid to the nominee. And the next one is, next benefit is insured receives the full sum assured on maturity. Here he receives the full sum, means the bonus amount, the maturity amount, the survival benefit, which means in money back we can select the, here insured receives the full sum assured on maturity. That means he will receive the maturity value and the survival benefits also. That means he can plan that he can get, he want to get the money backs or the sum or the money in parts. That is, I need to get some amount for it, but for every 5 years he will get a certain amount for that from whole life insurance. And the next one is insurance cover at the same time as investment returns. Here the premiums paid in the money back will be invested in the companies by the insurance company. Along with this, the insurance cover will be also covered by the insurance company to the individual. That means life cover also he will getting the benefit in this policy with the investments also. Next one is bonus at maturity significantly increases the overall payout. With the maturity value, that means he will receive an 1 lakh. If the bonus is added to this maturity value, that 10%, we can think that. That means 1,10,000. Here, with adding the bonus, the maturity value has been increased at the time of payout. That means the actual maturity value is 1 lakh, but he is getting with the bonus, that is 1,10,000. The next advantage is counters market linked investment. as he gets the investment or the money back when he is needed in the form of survival benefit or the loans. He will interested to invest in the insurance plans like money back plans only. In the other investments like stock markets are risk, or he may not get the money back when compared to the money back policy, because it is based on the market risks. So money back policy helps the individual to counter the market linked investments with investments in money back life insurance policies. And the next one is secured investments with money back plan. As we discussed in the above advantage, that it will be countering the stock markets investments. Here the secured investment means the guaranteed return. There will be no guaranteed return in the stock markets. So by investing in the money back policy, there will be secured investment with the money back plan, and that means he will get the money back also. The last one is tax savings with money back plan. Here all the insurance premiums paid will be, or the maturity values we are getting by the individuals will be tax exempted under the 80C of the Indian Income Tax Act 1961. But in some cases, we have discussed in the previous, from money back policy also this will be exempted unless the premium amount is less than 10% of sum assured. If it exceeded, if the premiums exceed the 10%, he will come under the chargeable income tax act. These are the various functions of some of the types of life insurances. Remaining savings and investment life insurances or child life insurances, retirement life insurance, remaining 4 will be discussed in the or explained in the next video with its features and benefits.